Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and today I'm very excited to announce that I have expanded my involvement and indulgence, if you will, of my passion for Cuban cigars with taking over the proprietor's majority share of cigarkeep.com. All of you, of course, know on this channel that there are few things I love than sitting down with good friends such as Eddie or Edward Sahakian and smoking a great Cuban cigar. So much, in fact, that this has become a cornerstone of the channel here at Kirby Allison and is something that is only growing in its significance and importance. As you know, we have a forthcoming series on Cuba where we were invited by Hunters and Francal, the official importer of Cuban cigars to the United Kingdom, and Habanos to explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition of their incredible cigars and their beautiful country. And we are hoping to bring this to you all here soon. We are hard at work. It is a massive project, but we are working diligently away to bring this in the fourth quarter of this year. The opportunity to take over Cigar Keep really is a tremendous honor and a privilege. I have such respect for the team that has created Cigar Keep, the proprietor, Tom Chamberlain, Sam, and Drew. This team really created Cigar Keep from a vision into a reality, and it has very fastly become the primary or preeminent community for those passionate about Cuban cigars at the highest level. Now, what is Cigar Keep? If you haven't been to Cigar Keep and you're a fan of Cuban cigars, you must open another window right now and go there immediately. First and foremost, the best way to think of it is like the seller tracker of Cuban cigars. Cigar Keep allows you to catalog what you have in your humidor and then see who else has those same cigars, write reviews, share tasting notes, and connect through the community based off what you have in your humidor. In addition to that, we have regular articles that we're publishing. We have regular meetups that we host. We have educational events and hopefully soon much, much more. So if you haven't taken a moment to visit Cigar Keep, please do so. I'm excited to be involved and look forward to speaking more about this with all of you here on Kirby Allison. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching.